Hello my friends! Today we're going to build this beautiful base using Milliput. So let's get started. I'm going to use baking paper, Milliput standard, a base and a rolling pin. Milliput is a 2 parts epoxy putty and it dries hard as rock once it's mixed. I will use equal amount of the 2 components and then blend them together for some minutes until it's completely mixed. After that, I will place the putty between the baking papers. And with the rolling pin, I will start to roll it until I'll have the desired thickness. The baking paper helps the putty to avoid stick on the rolling pin. If you don't have baking paper, you can use baby powder. When you reach the desired thickness, let the putty to set for 5 hours or more. Here I have a piece that is already set, and look how hard is it. I am using pliers to cut small pieces of the putty. Before I glue everything on the base, I wanted to get an idea how the base will look. So I started to add some pieces until I get the desired result. Something like this should be fine. To fix the pieces on the base, I will use of course super glue. And here it is, ready for the next step. I forgot the skull. There you are. Next step is to add some fine sand. For that, I'm going to use PVA glue. I will add the glue on selected areas because I don't want to cover the whole area with the sand. Then press the base in the sand to make sure that will be stick perfectly on the base. Let it dry for some hours, and after the glue is set, it is time for painting. I'm using Vallejo black primer through my airbrush and I will cover all the base. Then, with Vallejo Game Air Dead White, I'm going to create a pre-shade on the base. I will spray this paint on the top of the base. With the pre-shaded surface complete, let's continue to the next step. Here I have some GW Agrax Earthshade and I will dilute it with some water. I'm starting to paint all the base. As you can see, with the pre-shaded surface you have a better definition on the base. Next, I'm going to slightly dry brush with a light grey. Finally, paint the rim of the base with black. That is all for today, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss out the upcoming videos. I would like to thank my first Patreon supporter. So if you want to support the channel, there is a Patreon page. You can find the link in the description down below. See you in the next one. Bye!